Hi guys, it's Pam here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a heated eyelash curler, which is this, as well as a traditional eyelash curler like this. This first one I just bought off the internet, off of Amazon for like $5 or $6, so I thought, why not give it a try? Because to me, I didn't understand how this could actually curl your lashes, but it actually does. What you do is you put in here a AAA battery, and then you turn this little piece up till this green light comes on, and it doesn't take very long for it to heat up. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you. On one eye, I'm going to demonstrate to you what a curl looks like and how to do it on the left eye. I know a lot of people are afraid to use these. They've tried to use them. They get skin or eyelashes caught up in it, kind of hurts and pulls. I'm used to it, so I'll teach you how to do it. But this is a good option for people who are afraid of these. I also know other people who really like to use these with these because it gives a really good curl. And I never thought about these until one morning I went to go curl my eyelashes with this, and they had been sitting in the sun. So when I curled my lashes, it curled so much better than with this. If you heat up your lashes, followed by eyelash curler, bada bing, bada boom. You're in good business. So it gives you some options for curling your eyelashes. So get ready, because I'm going to show myself without any mascara on, and I look quite different. But it shows you the difference before eyelash curling and before mascara.
Old shoes, same street, another dead-end day on repeat. Clock ticks, my dress, chewed up gum and a half-burnt spliff. Try love, try faith, everything I touch feels fake. Turn it up, drown it out, still this doubt, still this doubt. I get nothing from the station, just static on the line.